Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English Learning Channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about Brazilian migrants. The US administration expanded the program that required migrants to wait in Mexico for their immigration hearing. Brazilian migrants will now fall under the US migrant protection protocols that were implemented 1 year ago. This is the first time that non-Spanish speakers are accounted for under the policy. Immigrant rights advocates and asylum officers are against the policy. They say that it will put the immigrants at risk of rape, kidnapping, or other violent attacks. The number of Brazilian migrants at the US-Mexico border has tripled in the last year. Brazilians waiting in Mexico joined roughly 60,000 migrants who are waiting to resolve their asylum cases. This is the end of our news for today, and see you in our next video. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. Bye.